Hello, I am Merve. In this video, I will try to explain the ANOVA tests with using the Graphpad Prism software. The ANOVA test, the other name is the analysis of variance. First, I open the Graphpad Prism, then I select the column format table, and then I start with sample data to follow a tutorial, because I don't have any results, so I choose it. So here's are the one-way ANOVA, ordinary one-way ANOVA, or repeated measures map one-way ANOVA. You can choose anything you want. So I selected the ordinary one-way ANOVA, so I click the create button. I created it. So here you can see the tutorial. I closed it. Here are the random data as control treated and treated with antagonist, group A, group B, and group C. You can see here's our different things as data tables, info, results, or graphs. So you can see in here with clicking graph, you can see the graph. So graph family, you can choose column, XA, or grouped. So I just column. Type of the graph you can choose. Want to choose the graph with symbols and lines. So if you click it, so here's our graph is ready. You can change the graph's colors. It's colored black and white. It's color, or you can add more colors. You can see like this neon colors. It depends on you. Or you can resize the graph with larger to fill page or smaller. You can see it in here. You can add or remove datasets in here. If you click in here, you can add, replace, remove. You can change the datasets on graphs. These are the graph settings. It's the direction of the graph, vertical or horizontal, or the spaces between the columns. You can organize your graph in these, or the appearance, symbol of the color, line color, or dataset. You can see here all datasets change, or just one way. You can change all of these in here, or you can format the axis with clicking this. You can see the origin, shape, size and position, axis and colors, frames, or you can just change the axis, left y-axis, right y-axis, titles and fonts. You can change all of these data in here. Here you can do magic things in here. You can reverse the data. You can rotate it horizontal in here. Rotate the vertical like that. Or format graphs. As I mentioned, you can change all of the graph things in here. You can see it. So this is one-way ANOVA data, which is a graph you can see in this family, or one-way ANOVA data. Here's our main data, which I choose random. So I want to make analysis. You can see the analysis section in here and the analyze button. I'm clicking to analyze. It's asking you which analysis you want. Build or use saved methods, transform, normalize, X, Y analysis, or column analysis. I want to make a column analysis, the one-way ANOVA. You can choose other statistical tests in here. So I just choose the one-way ANOVA. And the other thing you have to do is analyze which data sets this question. You can choose all of these with select all or deselect all. You can choose whatever you want. Just treat it with antagonist or just treat it or this due. So I'm selecting all of these and clicking to OK. Second thing you have to do is your experimental design. You have matching or pairing design or not. If you don't have, you have to click the no matching. Your data results are Gaussian. You can choose yes or no. So choose this. So there is no repeated. So you have to choose the follow-up tests, multiple comparison. I want to compare this. This means you can compare the each column with the other columns, or you can compare with the columns with column A control or column B treated or column C treated with antagonist, or you can just compare means you select it like control or treated with treated antagonists. I want to compare each columns with every other column. You have to choose the correct test for your statistical analysis. Here you can see test recommended or not recommended and others. So Turkey is recommended, so I choose this. So here's the residual. You want to create a graph or not? I don't want, so I don't choose any of this. So this is Turkey, it's right for me. Compare the mean of each column with the mean of every other column, right? There is no repeated measures, no matching or pairing. Gaussian, yes. So I'm clicking the OK. So you can see the two pages. One of these is ANOVA results and other one is multiple comparison. The ANOVA results show that the data set, analyze it, the F value, P value are squared. You can see the others, and the multiple comparison is you can see the control to treated with antagonist or treated antagonists. You can see the mean differences, or is it significant? Yes, no, yes. Test details. You can see the mean difference. You can see all of this in here. Here's are the statistical tests with a one-way ANOVA tests. Thank you for watching.